Well, this is Employers' Day. This is when companies, big and small, we have small early stage startups up to Accenture, basically pitching to the students, explaining what they do, what kind of staff they need, what kind of work the students could expect to do if they were in those companies.
In Accenture, we're always looking for people who have an aptitude for technology and an ability to problem solve. So what brought me here today is that Code Institute are doing something unique in terms of teaching people technologies that are very, very relevant. We already hired somebody from your last graduate intake, and we're hoping to do the exact same.
We were invited along today to, I suppose, showcase, what Cartroller are about. I suppose we're a very high growth company. Dublin is like a little Silicon Valley at the moment, with lots of companies looking for technical talent. We've partnered with the Code Institute, I suppose, to, get good graduates in who've a good commercial understanding as well, because I understand a lot of the Code Institute graduates have been working in industry and have come back maybe to reskill or upskill. So that's a good balance for us.
The programme looks really interesting here, and as an employer in the Irish market seeking out software developers, we felt that the curriculum was a good fit for us and for our business. We're currently hiring somewhere between 5 and 10 staffers, and they range across the spectrum from UI UX experts right the way through to programmers, software developers and project managers. And we're here today obviously because this programme offers a software development course.
Today we were looking to basically, I suppose, raise awareness of our platform. So we have over 2,500 companies hiring on Jobio, new opportunities being added daily. The main attraction about the graduates from the Code Institute, I suppose, is really the skill set in which they're going to be entering the market with. We have companies daily, I suppose, looking for coding as a skill. So obviously the graduates of the Code Institute have a skill set that's in high demand, and I suppose by partnering with them, we're in a nice position to deliver relevant jobs towards a relevant set of people.
One of the things that we find attractive about the Code Institute is the students themselves have typically come from a previous industry. They're coming in for additional learning. Also, the environment here is conducive to learning from what we see. The syllabus appears to be really well structured and is very hands-on.
We find that the Code Institute partner really well with businesses, so they get a great understanding of what the core technologies are being used in industry. So they're learning things that are very much currently in play in a commercial sense and are being used to produce high-end software out there globally on the marketplace. So that's a big attraction to us, that the syllabus and the coursework is very aligned with the commercial industry use.
What we find attractive about Code Institute is fairly simple. They're learning technologies which are very relevant to our clients. We find that college graduates are often more focused on the theory, where in the Code Institute they're very focused on the actual practicalities and have hands-on experience.